What's up guys, welcome to a new video. We are in the south of Belgium for our first stop of the road trip. We are here in the Abbey of Orval. Beautiful buildings, beautiful ruins. So we are here for a quick visit and then we continue the road trip. Just had a quick lunch after our visit to the Orval Abbey on the bike, going for a quick spin, 80 kilometers, about 1000 meters of elevation. And tomorrow we are off to Dijon in the French Burgundy area. Let's keep spinning, continue the road trip, and I'll see you in a few. Second stop of the road trip, we are in Dijon. We're going to do the Owls Trail. It's a parkour in the city to visit the most important parts of the old town. Tourist mode activated. So we just left Dijon. We are now at stop 3 of the road trip. We are in Beaune. Beautiful little French city. Time to explore. Tourist mode on.
Keep pushing you away while I want you to stay. Amazing gold is eyes, but my heart still beats. When I say no, it's yes. I'm putting you to the test. Can you handle me? Do you have the key? Sorry that I've been playing games. Do you really have what it takes? I guess so, I guess so. I guess so, I guess so. I am a queen, I need my king. Are you bad enough to sin? I think so, I think so. I think so, I think so. Okay, let me just be honest with you. I want you, want you, want you. And okay, I've been running circles all the time, but I want you, want you, want you.
Next stop of the road trip, Château de Pommard for a wine tasting.
I think so, okay? Let me just be honest with you. I want you, and okay? I've been running circles all the time, but I want you.
This is where we went wine tasting. Now we're out for a walk in the vineyards. Views on views on views. Quite a big waterfall, Cascade de la Pisse.
Allez bébé!